pre-wedding was insane, and then the wedding itself was so cringe. It was like इतना ज़्यादा, there was too much. खट्टी चाट के अंदर फ्रूट भी डाल दिया है, फिर मतलब हलीम भी डाल दिया है, फिर उसके बाद कोई कोरियन चिकन भी डाल दिया है. आपको दिल नहीं चाह रहा था देखने का, बिकॉज आप कंफ्यूज हो रहे थे बार बार देख के. It was like a multiverse.
इतने सारे functions थे कि I mean somebody as stupid as me maybe Binti Rek bhai कौन सा function है, what the hell is this function?
You can give an idiot money, but you can't give them class. There's something about her, like she's very beautiful. Like उसको देखने का, you want to keep looking at her because she doesn't have like a seductive pretty look. She has like such a atypical pretty look, you know. इनकी जो actual शादी है, मतलब कि अब तो यही रह गया है कि वो मून पे जाके एक होटल बिल्ड करवा के वहाँ पे भी एक फंक्शन कर दें. That's the last and final ingredient for this, honestly.
Hello everyone, welcome to Cocktail. I am Shiza and we have Amna with us. और आज हम आमना किस बारे में बात कर रहे हैं?
Of course, the wedding of the century.
The wedding of the century, ठीक है? So let's talk about the Ambani wedding. Ambani wedding के वहाँ से इतनी different dimensions से coverage या whatever आपको अब देख ली हुई है, कितनी ज़्यादा पढ़ लिया उसके ऊपर कि मतलब I don't know. अच्छा, there was this very interesting sitcom kind of a show जिसमें ना बहुत सारी खवातीन थी and they were talking about it. So वो कहती हैं कि they were all गोरियाँ थी वो. So what they say is कि हमने इससे पहले ना जब तक रियाना ने परफॉर्म नहीं किया था, आज से 2 महीने पहले हमें पता नहीं था अंबानी कौन है. So
I mean,
yes,
wow.
Yes. I mean,
they know how to become.
Yeah.
Famous.
So they वो कहती है हमें पता भी नहीं था कि कौन है. तो now because after जब रियाना ने परफॉर्म किया उसके ऊपर, and रियाना ने अपनी एक you know she's not been performing for a while. फिर अभी हमने देखा Justin Bieber was there and Backstreet Boys माशाल्लाह से वहाँ पे गए हैं उनके क्रूज पे परफॉर्म करने and so on. So I mean there is so many of these people who we have not seen for a while performing. उन्होंने ज़्यादा के वहाँ पे perform किया. So हमने what do you think कि कैसी थी भाई अंबानी wedding?
It was insane. It was insane. The pre-wedding was insane, and then the wedding itself was so cringe. It was like itna zyada. There was too much, like too many people over there, you know, from everywhere in the world. It was a bit like you know कि खट्टी चाट के अंदर फ्रूट भी डाल दिया है, फिर मतलब हलीम भी डाल दिया है, फिर उसके बाद कोई कोरियन चिकन भी डाल दिया है. सब कुछ सारा कुछ एक ही जगह पे था और लाइक आपको दिल नहीं चाह रहा था देखने का, बिकॉज आप कंफ्यूज हो रहे थे बार बार देख के, you know. It was like a multiverse.
इतने सारे functions थे कि I mean somebody as stupid as me maybe Binti Rek bhai कौन सा function है, what the hell is this function now, what the hell is. अच्छा, और उन्होंने functions के दरमियान में भी उन्होंने क्योंकि कपड़े चेंज किए. So I was again confused कि यार ये विवाह function चल रहा है, you know. So मतलब कि हाँ, जो संगीत था उसमें I think ईशा अंबानी ने 3 बार कपड़े चेंज किए हैं. So it is it just confuses my stupid mind here.
It's like you can give an idiot money, but you can't give them class at all, because their entire personality is that they have money and they have so much money. Like it was I think 0.3% of their net worth that they used for this one wedding, and that 0.3% of their net worth could have literally alleviated poverty figures in the whole country. It could have solved poverty, literally. मुझे तो ना मुझे अजीब सा लगता है. Like, do you think Anand she married? I personally think Radhika Merchant is very good looking. Like, I think she's really pretty. है ना?
Yes.
Like there's something about her. Like, she's very beautiful. Like, उसको देखने का, you want to keep looking at her because she doesn't have like a seductive pretty look. She has like such a atypical pretty look, you know, कि मतलब कि हाँ, Like she has that.
No, I
So
understand. It's very subtle. It's not right out there.
it's
It's
very
just very,
subtle.
very subtle.
It's very subtle.
And I think she carries it really well as well. लेकिन ये कि I mean जहाँ तक इन दोनों की राधिका और आनंद अंबानी की जहाँ तक से चलता है, so they've been I don't know, high school sweetheart for some.
They've been dating for a very long time. So she has in reality had, like, I cannot believe that woman dated that man in all her senses. I cannot, with all due respect, I can't. I just can't, because money personally isn't that big of a priority for me. Like, honestly, if the, like, in the sense, I'm not saying he has to be like the hottest guy on the planet, but like, it's just very hard for me to accept it, and I will never accept it. I will go to my grave with this truth, and I will ask God when I stand
You're
before
very
Him and we're
judgmental, right?
really
No,
together. Please tell me she was cheating on him. Please. Please tell me this. But I
no,
really
but
think that
he's not well, na? He's not well. So he gains the weight, he loses weight, then again it comes back. So he's probably pretty much on the, जो उसका health spectrum है काफी हिला हुआ है ना. So that I think does add up. But and the thing is कि, I mean, Radhika herself has a lot of net worth, and it's not like I don't know. But then you say again, nothing is enough, so probably I don't know.
I don't know. I don't think so.
I don't know whether but I mean, okay. So let's start from another point here. Nita Ambani को अगर तुमने कभी देखा हो, right?
The mother of Isha, the mother.
Yeah,
so she's very pretty. So she's very sweet, huh? So
yeah, and then you look at Mukesh Ambani.
ठीक है.
Really? बिल्कुल ऐसा ही.
Yeah, because Mukesh Ambani doesn't feel like you're like talking to a toddler. Anand does. Anand feels like a full toddler.
They both feel the same.
He does. No, come on. He feels like a full toddler. She basically like उसने किसी clip के अंदर जो है ना उसके गले के इर्द गिर्द माला पहनाई, and then he started dancing up and down instead of hugging her, and she was coming in for a hug, and then he grabbed her arms and he started doing the roly poly. Like, he is, I don't know. ठीक है, मतलब वो animals के लिए बहुत ज़्यादा करता है, तो that's a really good thing. But I don't know. I mean.
But then the other thing is कि जो उनके heirlooms वगैरह दिखाए जा रहे हैं, the jewelry, the this and that. What about that, Amna?
Honestly, I could not Hasmify the wedding itself, so I did not watch in detail every single thing. Pre-wedding का मुझे सारा याद है, because pre-wedding was the first time that you saw everything, and then you were like, okay, they're getting married. मतलब मैं बता रही हूँ ना शज़ा कि pre-wedding का I understand, ठीक है, बट इनकी जो एक्चुअल शादी है, मतलब कि अब तो यही रह गया है कि वो मून पे जाके एक होटल बिल्ड करवा के वहाँ पे भी एक फंक्शन कर दें. That's the last and final ingredient for this, honestly. Like, it got so cringe and weird. There were like stars from everywhere, from every time over there. Like, I think you weren't even a star if you weren't invited to the Ambani wedding.
There were so many people not invited, you know.
Really? Abhi bhi?
Yes, abhi bhi the, but could not make it to the list. But ये है कि अभी भी I mean, there is so much. I mean, the thing is कि we were talking about the animals and so on. So Anand Ambani, he came on a horse to one of the events. I don't know which one. ठीक है? So उसमें भी there are so many people talking about it कि horses के ऊपर the making them for this किस्म की ceremonies, it's not अच्छा नहीं है, it's not allowed, it's not ethical, this and that. ये वाली थोड़ी सी debates भी चल रही हैं. But then जहाँ तक हम लोग jewelry की बात कर रहे हैं, उसमें भी आ रहा है कि we've seen Isha Ambani wearing the same neck piece, जो emerald का neck piece is a very heavy one. वो वो नीता अंबानी ने पहना था, and now they're saying कि वो they recycle it, and then there's this big और भी किस्म के armband pieces हैं ये वो. So I mean there is so much that's going on around this the debate. I think it's sort of like endless as well. What do you think, Amna?
I think that horse abusing animals is also very wrong. I feel really bad for the horse. I'm just thinking about the horse. That's all I'm thinking about.
Thinking about the horse. So जो ये वाली wedding थी, इसके अंदर it was started, और सबसे ज़्यादा चीज़ जो आजकल that's always there on the internet, हमेशा जब भी आप pictures खोलो, reels खोलो, whatever you're trying to open, वहाँ पे आ जाता है is how the Bachchan family is sort of posing, and so there is all of the Bachchans except Aishwarya and her daughter. So
seriously? अच्छा सुनो, मुझे पता है तुम्हारी जो रिलेशनशिप बच्चन फैमिली के पॉडकास्ट और उनकी ग्रैंड डॉटर की जो है ना यूट्यूब शोज के साथ है, तुम ज्यादा ओवर ना हो, मुझे पता है, ठीक है, तुम बहुत ज्यादा इन्फॉर्म्ड हो उनके बारे में, वो बड़े कूल लगते हैं तुम्हें, सही है, वो तुम्हारे नॉस्टैल्जिक गोल्डन पीरियड का हिस्सा है, मुझे पता है, सही है, मैं भी इधर ही हूँ. हाँ.
No, so the thing is that all of these people are there, and and Aishwarya and her daughter is missing. So even Abhishek is standing there. और फिर जो Shweta Bachchan है, she's wearing this big armor kind of a piece, which I don't know how does that even qualify as a jewelry piece, but that's there. And then Jaya Bachchan ने पूरा एक बड़ा सा वो पहना हुआ है, जिसमें I don't know उसके नीचे ब्लाउज पहनने की जरूरत नहीं थी, because it was so heavy and so big itself. I think it just does what the blouse would do for you.
Jaya Bachchan looks a little evil. Jaya Bachchan looks very evil. उसकी वजह से हुआ होगा, मान लो मेरी बात, उसी की वजह से ऐश्वर्या नहीं आई, कसम से.
No, she was there. She did come, but she did not come with them. So she came separately. उसका और उसकी बेटी का अलग से फोटोशूट हुआ है. You missed out. I'm not. You missed out.
Or like, what is the tea? Is she getting a divorce?
तो recently यही चल रहा है ना. The recent thing is कि they are getting divorced. Even though people did see Abhishek के साथ Aishwarya को for a couple of times, but that's what is on the internet, and there's a divorce, and apparently there was a tweet or a post on divorce, and Abhishek liked it, and it said something like divorces are always painful and stuff, and he just goes there and drops a like and stuff. So it's hinting at something that's there. I feel so bad on so many different levels for Aishwarya Rai, to be very honest.
Why?
Because Abhishek is a clown. What was she doing with him? Or 17 years he was married to this goof. I don't know. And
मतलब एक one-sided scene तो नहीं होगा ना. Both of the people are getting something out of it. That's why it's happening. That's why it's working. And he is, after all, ठीक है, चलो, I'll give him that. Fine. He's not a mature guy, but he's Amitabh's son. He's like practically Bollywood royalty.
Whatever. But that's about it. That's that's as far as it goes. I mean, I don't know. I mean, if you look at Abhishek's career and you compare it with Aishwarya's career, Aishwarya has a much better. उसका तो कोई career ही नहीं है यार. He has like zero career. वो तो what is he? Doom में आ जाता है.
Aishwarya is from a very, very humble background, if I remember, right? Yeah, she's from a very humble background. Yes, she is. She's from a humble background, and she actually had to go through a lot to become an actor, in terms of like, Miss World, and then going through a lot of cringe directors who were trying to typecast her into this Tamil type heroine, and then she got out of that. She started working in art films, so she had
यार
to
अब
go
आप
through a
यहाँ
lot.
देख रहे Aishwarya has done so many of Sanjay Leela's projects, ठीक है? So you
Hmm.
don't get to be a Sanjay Leela actress if you are not pulling the right strings. So she's
Yes.
been doing that. Abhishek, on the other hand, has nothing like that. Nothing. I mean, Abhishek को मुझे एक अच्छी मूवी बना दो यार. Just one good movie जिसके
Bunty or
अंदर
Bubbly? Bunty or Bubbly?
I mean, I think उसमें भी
It's
अगर
one of my
रानी
favorite. It's one of my
अगर
favorite.
रानी मुखर्जी ना होती ना, so I don't know. उसमें वो तो
हाँ.
कहीं से
Obviously.
तो
Obviously, Rani picked up 90-50% of the show, but Abhishek has always thrived in movies where his father has also been existing in them. धूम में सही था, पहली वाली धूम में अच्छा था.
धूम में कितना बुरा भी धूम में he's not even the main character भाई. He's like a side की भी side. You see what I'm saying? He doesn't act. I mean, even if you see वो जो दोस्ताना है, उसमें भी ये था ना दोस्ताना में with
Yeah. John
what?
Abraham and
Not
Priyanka
Abraham.
Chopra.
John Abraham is cool. They kept this one is like nobody. This is I don't know.
अभी तक
I
John
don't know.
Abraham का fever नहीं उतरा तुम पे से.
नहीं, of course not. ठीक है. So I mean,
You're
दोस्ताना
such
is
a-
just right there. So
You're such a
but ये
boomer. You're such a boomer. You're such a full boomer. Honestly.
not.
Then what
Okay.
are you?
But the thing is, oh come on, they're not Abhishek Bachchan, please, not him. That gin tonic का बंदर, no.
देखो
So
खुदा जिसको देना चाहता है ना वो दे देता है, और जिसको नहीं दे सकता ना उनको अंबानीज दे देते हैं. तो इधर ही बात खत्म करते हैं.
इधर ही खत्म करते हैं.
उनकी एक मीम है जिसके अंदर जो है ना वो पूजा करने जाते हैं, वो लाइक भगवान से पूछते हैं, भगवान यहाँ पे तो सारी अपनी सेटिंग है, आपको कुछ चाहिए तो बताना.
How cool is that? मेरी बात सुनो, I'll tell you something, a very interesting fact. Ambanis have a song for themselves.
Yeah.
There is an Ambani anthem.
Shit.
Okay, so let that sink in. अब आप कोई अपनी बकवास करनी है तो आप कर सकते हैं, but they have their own anthem and
They have their own anthem.
Yes, they have
their own.
We're
Yes.
talking about the Ambani Parivar and stuff. So this, I think that's I don't know. But then the other thing is that it does bring in a lot of investment to India from different जो उनके Reliance Group है, and even it does put India somewhere on the map as well. I mean, the thing is that इससे पहले we started off with that sitcom which I was talking about, right? Because we did not even know who these people were unless Rihanna performed there. So now that's really interesting. And then we have this Kim Kardashian going there. We have Chloe. I mean, there are so many people who you actually think, and they're just flooding your Instagram, flooding your feed with content that's so I think that becomes really interesting as well. I mean, the things that are happening around that. What do you think, Amna?
I think if I talk more about the Ambanis, I'm just gonna send an application to become one of their family members. बस हो गया शिजा मेरी.
Okay, so I think on that we'll end here. Please do write to us and let us know what part of the Ambani wedding fascinated you most. मेरे लिए तो it's the anthem, ठीक है? So they have their own anthem, jewelry ये वो सब आप भाड़ में. The watch that they've been giving out to their best friends and so on, वो सब पीछे रह गया. The anthem takes the lead. Do write to us and let us know what do you think. इसी के साथ हमें इजाजत दें. Till next time. Allah.